Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming requirements: Office 2016 or later, active Grammarly account, and permission to install software. Once verified, sign into Grammarly on the web so credentials are ready. Next, download the Grammarly for Microsoft Office installer from your Grammarly account. Choose the correct platform, Windows or Mac. Make sure Word is closed. The installer needs exclusive access to place files. If prompted, accept the license and agree to add-ins. This enables Grammarly to integrate with Word's ribbon and proofreading flow. You run the installer with elevated privileges. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator if on Windows. During setup, select Microsoft Word and, if wanted, Outlook. This controls where Grammarly appears. Choose Default Install unless you need a custom folder. The installer copies files and registers the add-in with Word. That's why you closed Word earlier. Once the installer finishes, open Word to enable the Grammarly tab. Go to Word's add-ins or COM add-ins and turn Grammarly on. If prompted, restart the computer to finalize shell integration. You finish by opening Word and locating the Grammarly tab on the ribbon. Click it and sign in to activate real-time suggestions. Once signed in, toggle the online proofreading options and adjust language preferences. This tailors suggestions to your style. If the Grammarly tab is missing, go to File, Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow Add-ins, and enable Grammarly under COM Add-ins. Disable other grammar tools to avoid conflicts. If problems persist, restart Word, reinstall the add-in, and then contact Grammarly support as a last resort. Most issues are permission or COM registration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.